Sylvanian family values. 15. Cooking class. It is a beautiful spring morning in Bauble city, and Simon and Suzie get up for school. Today they have cooking class. Andrea Alpine teaches the children how to cook at the school. Okay, children, this is the school kitchen, and this is where you learn how to cook food and to make cakes. But today you have a test because we need to know how well you can cook food. Try to use the things in the kitchen to make a cake.
What? A test? Oh no!
Suzie, take it easy. We do tests to know how well you can do things, and to know how we can help you with things that you do badly.
Okay.
So, Suzie, do you know how to cook pasta with tomatoes?
I don't think so.
Okay. Do you know how to make a lemon cake?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, Suzie, take the things that you need from the table there.
Okay, I need butter, sugar, flour, 3 eggs, and a big spoon. Oh, and lemons. Okay. There.
Okay, children, you have an hour to cook your food. Your time starts now. After 1 hour, the children have their food. And Suzie has a cake. Now, children, we have my husband and your teacher Enric Alpine here to try your food. He is from France and he only likes very good food. Okay, who is first?
I think I am first.
Okay, can I try your cake?
Yes, you can. Here's a fork.
Henrik tries the cake.
Well, do you like it? Well, can't you speak? Please, say what you think of my cake.
Henrik, really? Say what you think of her cake. I think it is excellent.
Wow, you think my cake is excellent. Can't you say that it's very good?
Okay, I think your cake is very good.
Wow, my cake is very good.
Okay, who is second? Now Jennifer has a tomato sandwich here. Oh, and do you know how to use a knife to make this?
Yes, I do.
Suzie! No more of that, please!
Sorry.
This is very good.
Wow, Jennifer! Your sandwiches are very good!
Oh no! Oh no! No!
Ah! Why do you look at me? I am fine!
After the test, the children finish the cooking class and they go home. And they have language class tomorrow. So, see you there next time.